go over to ICT Trading YouTube channel, you tend to see that he have a whole lot of videos. I think it's thousands of videos sef. You keep scrolling, it never finish. You keep scrolling, it never finish. Now, if you want to learn ICT concept, the problem becomes, where should you start? What is the right video for you to watch? Because you can't basically watch all these videos. It's too much. Not just that it's too much, but it's too lengthy, right? What is going on, everybody? My name is Dochi Eke. Welcome to another very interesting video. In today's video, I'm going to show you can get started to learn ICT, the inner circle trader. There are two categories of people who are going to watch this video. The first group of people are those who have heard about ICT but don't know how to get started to learn about that, or the right way to get started with that. The second group of people are those who have not heard about ICT at all. They have never heard about ICT trading, or they have never heard about ICT trading. So this video will introduce them to that. Alright, so you're welcome in whichever group you belong, whether you've never heard about ICT or whether you've heard about ICT. This is the right video you need to watch, because it's about to expose and bring you closer to your destination as a forex trader. Now, what is ICT? ICT is inner circle. Where can you learn ICT? You basically learn ICT on YouTube. Now, a lot of traders that are using ICT concept, people like Hannah Forrest currently started a series of his journey with ICT trading. And ICT trading is a very popular concept in the forex trading industry. Now, where can you learn ICT trading is on YouTube. Now, if you go over to ICT Trading YouTube channel, you tend to see that he have a whole lot of videos. I think it's thousands of videos sef. You keep scrolling, it never finish. You keep scrolling, it never finish. Now, if you want to learn ICT concept, the problem becomes, where should you start? What is the right video for you to watch? Because you can't basically watch all these videos. It's too much. Not just that it's too much, but it's too lengthy. Alright, most of his videos are from 17 minutes and above. Sometimes you even get 1 hour, 2 hour lectures, mentorship videos. Alright, so which one should you start? That is what we are going to be talking about in this video. You are not meant to watch all of them. You just need to watch the one that will interest you, and that is what I want to show you in this video. Whether you are a beginner, what I have to tell you is that if you are a beginner, you don't necessarily need to start with ICT. Is a concept that he is providing. So you need to understand what forex is all about before thinking of learning the ICT, the inner circle trader. If you have already learned how to trade forex, then you can go ahead and learn his concept. One of the best and the most popular one I'm going to recommend you all is called the 2022 ICT Mentorship Program. Alright, 2022 ICT Mentorship Program. It is in a playlist, but you are not going to find it normally on his YouTube channel by scrolling over to his playlist here and be looking for that. You're not going to find it. What I've done for you guys is I've been able to to put the link to this playlist on the description of this video. Alright, so what you have to do is just to check the description of this video and you get the link to this playlist. Alright, so playlist has over 41 videos. 41 videos. As you come over here, you tend to see what it said. It said this series is the ICT mentorship collection for 2022. This series is ongoing and you are encouraged to study along each week. Video uploads is Tuesday and Thursday night at 10 p.m. EST. Alright, this is the most popular one that most people are going for, and I think it's because of the high level of educational content and knowledge that he unleashed here, and that is the one I should recommend you to go for as at now. Alright, as a beginner into ICT mentorship program. There are still some other ones that you need to go for, right? But I'll be presenting to you guys that on the next video. So there should be other concepts that you should go for, alright, so that this particular mentorship 2022 ICT mentorship program will be made easy for you. The programs are like, if I could go back, if I had to restart as a 20-year-old, market maker, price series, mastering high probability, I will be making in-depth videos about all that in the next video. If you want me to make that and show you all the series step by step that you should take so that you'll be able to learn ICT concept mentorship purely, I will do that in the next video. Then another thing I have to tell you, if you're a beginner with ICT concept, is that you should try and find a platform that summarizes or teaches ICT again one-on-one or via Zoom call meeting, because there are a whole lot of videos here that will get you confused. Alright, so that is why I encourage you all to join my Forex trading Telegram community, because I organize sometimes Zoom call meeting where you will be able to ask your questions and have your questions. I will also start to teach ICT concepts not on YouTube but on Zoom. So do yourself the advantage of joining the Telegram community. So I will come to the end of this video. I hope this video was able to encourage you and give you an insight on how you should start learning ICT. If you did, do not forget to like this video, subscribe, share and comment, very importantly, and also click in the link in the description and join my Forex trading Telegram community. That will be the end of this video, guys. I will see you in the next. Bye for now.